Stillness begins the moment you allow yourself to pause. Nothing you need to fix. This moment is simply here for you and you alone. And let it fall away naturally in a world that moves quickly. Choosing to slow down is not weakness. It is genuine listening to what lives inside you. Let distractions fade quietly into the background. Nothing else asking for your attention in this moment. Bring your awareness inward. Begin to breathe into the space surrounding your heart without controlling it. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a soft, warm light. As it enters your body, feel its warmth filling your chest, your shoulders, your back. With each exhale, release what you no longer need to carry. Release tightness. You do not need to name what you are letting go of. Allow yourself to be fully present. Notice the air around you. Set a gentle intention to open your heart, not to create feeling. With every breath in, welcome calm and clarity. Now bring your attention to the energy inside your body, moving through your chest, down through your arms, into your hands. There is nothing you need to achieve right now, nothing you need to become. Take a slow, gentle breath in. Notice how your body responds when you stop trying and simply allow yourself to be. It is wisdom. Allow yourself to settle into a position that feels safe and comfortable. There is nowhere else you need to be. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Place your hands over your heart, or simply imagine your attention resting there without forcing the breath, just noticing its natural, quiet rhythm. This light carries calm, stillness, and quiet strength. It spreads slowly, gently, filling you with a sense of safety. Release tension. Release the invisible weight that has been building over days and years. Your body already knows. Notice the surface beneath you, supporting your weight. Notice the steady rhythm of your breathing. Not to force emotion, just to allow. With every breath out, soften and release. Feel it radiating quietly from your heart. It is care. Flowing through your torso, your legs, and into your feet. Notice your feet, your calves. Imagine it loosening, softening, melting away. Allow the muscles to relax. They are allowed to rest now. This area often holds what we do not speak aloud. Let the support beneath you carry the weight you no longer need to hold. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. Feel your shoulders dropping away from your ears. Your hands soften. Bring your attention to your neck and throat. Allow the muscles to let go. Part your teeth slightly. Smooth your cheeks. Let your forehead soften. Your whole body feels heavier now. more held, deeper into stillness. The steps are solid, smooth, and safe beneath you. In a moment, you begin to walk downward. Your mind grows quieter. 9. Letting responsibilities fall away. 7. Sinking into ease. 5. Feeling lighter and clearer. 3. Calm spreading through you. 1. Completely at peace. Slowly begin to scan your body from the soles of your feet upward, your ankles. If you sense any tension, breathe warmth into that area. Move your awareness to your knees and thighs. They have carried you far. Bring your attention to your hips and lower back. Breathe gently here. Move upward to your abdomen and chest. Let your breathing become slower, deeper, easier. Let your arms grow heavy, your fingers rest. Release any tightness. Soften your jaw. Let your tongue rest easily. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Your scalp relaxes, more grounded. With each breath, you sink deeper into comfort. Now imagine yourself standing at the top of a wide, white staircase. A gentle light glows below, quietly inviting you down. With each step, your body relaxes more deeply. 10. Releasing effort. 8. Allowing the outside world to fade. 6. Trusting this moment. 4. Drifting deeper. 2. Nearly fully relaxed.